So I'm going to show you how I contour my lips. If you want something like Kylie Jenner, I mean my lips are not that thin, they're pretty okay. You know, if you want it a bit like this, I will show you some tricks and tips. I'm taking this contour from NYX in the shade Deep Profound, and I'm taking a small brush. Now if you look at my lips naturally, you can see this part is dark and then this part is light because it gives that lift like this. Now if I lift it like this, you can see that there's some darkness here because that shadow creates an illusion of a pout lips, right? So I'm going to take some contour here, a little bit, very little, and draw a line like this. Can you see? And I'm only going to do it here on top and down here, very little, and then I'm taking off the excess. I'm going to smudge it. Blend it. Can you see that lift here? That is it. Then I'm taking a highlighter. I'm taking this What's Up from Benefit, right? And I'm pouting again. I'm doing this. And then blending it all. Yeah. Can you see that lift already? Like I've got a lip job done here. Now I am taking this brown lip liner and bringing that same contour which I did here on the top, and lining my lips not outside but inside, as in just on my lips. Yeah, you can even give it a little lift here like that, so it looks, yeah, like that. I'm doing very lightly, okay? It should not look like those 90s where we used to line our lips with some brown liner and then put some light color lipstick on your lips. Yeah, that's about it. You can already see like how it gives you that, you know. Plump look. Now I'm going to take now this was just the contouring which I was doing. Now I'm going to actually color my lips. So I am first lining my lips with some lip liner. I'm taking the MAC lip liner in Whirl. Yeah, when I do this, everything gets blended, you know, the brown lip liner which I put for the contour and then this lip liner, everything gets blended. So basically the key is not to overline your lips. The key is to contour your lips to make it look plump and pout, right? Next, I'm taking my favorite MAC lipstick in the shade So Me and filling my lips. Ever so lightly like this, so that it does not, remove whatever you did on your lip line. Now I'm taking a lip gloss, and if you don't have a lip gloss, then you can even take a highlighter or a eyeshadow and take some like this, put it in the center of your lips like this, gives you that shine and that but I will put some gloss. This one is from MAC again. It is in the shade Love Child. It's a lip gloss. Again, only applying in the center. Smudge. And that is it. So this is how I contour without overlining my lips and just making it look plump. Easy, easy, and lovely. I'll see you in my next. I hope you like it. Please subscribe, follow my Instagram, and bye.